welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna open up the matchbox Fire called MBX Fire Rescue. And I found this Fire I wanted for a very long time. I thought that I really like it, so let's open it up. First one. Get this way. Put the packaging inside. First one that we take out is the fire engine, and it's a very nice addition. The ladder goes up and down, as you can see, and it's a very nice truck. It's not, it looks like the toy trailer or something. My looks like I really can't really see it, but there it is. Can you do it on video? Come on, focus it. There we go. Also, so then the front looks very normal, just like a real car. The back looks like this. The fire, the roof looks like this. The partner angle on there, the yellow partner angle. And this is how the side looks like, the 2020. And there we go. The next one that we take out is the ambulance. And the ambulance looks very nice. That's the back. That's the side. The side looks very nice. And the side panels look the same. The back and side where there's no money. And the roof looks like this. Also has a hitch. Hook up a trailer or something. The bottom looks very same, but you can see that there. And this side. Pretty much looks the same. The elephant is somewhere here. Oh, there's an elephant. Front looks like this. And if you go to everything, tell that looks like a car, but sirens are right there at the top, like that. Back like this. I probably always show you the back, but I'll show another regular back. Another regular back. Next up, we have another fire truck. This is the Ram utility. And I really love this Ram because it's in a fire chief configuration. The back looks like this, and I already have two police of these Rams because they are sometimes. You can probably see the elephant. Where's the elephant? Where's the elephant? There it is. And I didn't even show you the back. The back looks like this. Front like this is a big bumper. The roof looks like this. Very nice. Utility lab roof. The next car that we have is the Ford Crown Victoria. And this Ford Crown Victoria is a very nice red color. It's like a Ford Taurus, but it's got the slingshot, which the Ford Taurus doesn't have. Where's the elephant? Can you see the elephant? The elephant, where's the elephant? Hey! Looking up closer. Where's the elephant? Oh, there it is. So I saw the elephant just right there. There it is. Next thing we do have is the Freightliner business class, and this one looks to be like a utility fire truck. It's an international edition. The back looks like this. Back focus the ladder there. Top looks very normal. The front looks like this. This is like a Freightliner business class. The side, the top looks like this. Oh, top looks like this. Front looks like that. I didn't even focus the front, but tires are modded out. So it looks like that. There's a poop. Looks pretty the same. Okay, you see the elephant? Can you see it? Oh, you can see it there.